Hi, I'm Grace. Nice to meet you. In the following videos, I will explain to you all the contents of HSK Level 1, including initials, finals, tones, Chinese characters, and grammar. Okay, let's begin the lesson 13. 他在学做中国菜呢。Text 1. 喂，你在做什么呢？ Hello, what are you doing? 喂，你在做什么呢？我在看书呢。I'm reading. 我在看书呢。大卫也在看书吗？ Is David reading too? 大卫也在看书吗？他没看书，他在学做中国菜呢。No, he isn't. He's learning to cook Chinese food. 他没看书，他在学做中国菜呢。Okay, new words. 喂，喂，也，学习，学习。大卫，大卫。Text 2. 昨天上午你在做什么呢？ What were you doing yesterday morning? 昨天上午你在做什么呢？我在睡觉呢。你呢？ I was sleeping. What about you? 我在睡觉呢。你呢？我在家看电视呢。你喜欢看电视吗？ I was watching TV at home. Do you like watching TV? 我在家看电视呢。你喜欢看电视吗？我不喜欢看电视。我喜欢看电影。No, I don't. I like seeing movies. 我不喜欢看电视。我喜欢看电影。New words. 上午，上午。睡觉，睡觉。电视，电视。喜欢，喜欢。Text 3. 82304155，这是李老师的电话吗？ 82304155. Is this Miss Lee's telephone number? 82304155，这是李老师的电话吗？ 不是，他的电话是82304156。No, her number is 82304156。不是，他的电话是82304156。好，我现在给他打电话。Okay, I'll call her right now. 好，我现在给他打电话。他在工作呢，你下午打吧。She's working. Call her in the afternoon. 他在工作呢，你下午打吧。New words. 给打电话吧。Third interjection. 喂。The word is often used when calling someone or answering a phone call. For example, the first one. 喂，李老师在家吗？他不在家，去学校了。喂，李老师在家吗？他不在家，去学校了。The second one. 喂，你是张小姐吗？对，您是？喂，你是张小姐吗？对，您是？ The third one. 喂，你在做什么呢？我在看书呢。喂，你在做什么呢？我在看书呢。在 呢 used to indicate an action in progress. An action in progress can be expressed by adding the adverb 在 before a verb or by using the modal particle 呢 at the end of a sentence. For example, 我在睡觉呢。我在睡觉呢。你在做什么呢？你在做什么呢？小王在学习汉语。小王在学习汉语。The negative form is 没在 plus verb or verb phrase without ne at the end of the sentence. For example, 我没在看电视。我没在看电视。他们没在工作。他们没在工作。他没看书。他没看书。Expression of telephone numbers. Telephone numbers are read in different ways than general numbers. They are read digit by digit. The number 1 in telephone number is read 1. For example, the first one 80694788 0、6、9、4、7、8。The second one. 1、3、8、5、1、8、9、7、6、2、3。1、3、8、5、1、8、9、7、6、2、3。The last one. 8、2、3、0、4、1、5、6。8、2、3、0、4、1、5、6。The modal particle 8. When used at the end of an imperative sentence, the modal particle 8 indicates a suggestion or command with a softened mood. For example, the first one. 这儿没有人，请坐吧。谢谢。这儿没有人，请坐吧。谢谢。The second one. 今天我们在家吃饭吧。好。今天我们在家吃饭吧。好。The third one. 我现在给他打电话。他在工作呢。你下午打吧。我现在给他打电话。他在工作呢。你下午打吧。Okay, practice time. Describe the pictures using the newly learned language points and words. You can pause the video and write down your answers. Right, let's have a look at the correct answers. 安妮在打电话呢。安妮在打电话呢。妈妈在做中国菜呢。妈妈在做中国菜呢。她没看书，在看电视。她没看书，在看电视。她没工作，在睡觉呢。她没工作，在睡觉呢。Tone collocation in trisyllabic words. Words starting with a second tone syllable. 研究生 postgraduate. 研究生。弹钢琴 to play the piano. 弹钢琴。图书馆 library. 图书馆。维生素 vitamin. 维生素。银行家 banker. 银行家。韩国人 Korean people. 韩国人。韩国语 Korean language. 韩国语。人民币 RMB. 人民币。游泳衣 swimming suit. 游泳衣。游泳池 swimming pool 游泳池游泳馆 natatorium 游泳馆牛仔裤 jean 牛仔裤魔术师 magician 魔术师服务员 waiter waitress 服务员博物馆 museum 博物馆明信片 postcard 明信片 Okay, here are 3 single component characters. The first one is 日 The character 日 uses the image of the sun and its basic meaning is the sun. 日 The second one is 木 The character 木 uses the image of an eye and its basic meaning is eye. 木 The last one is 习 The original meaning of 习 was to learn and repeatedly review to achieve proficiency. In Model Chinese, however, it means pretty much the same as 学. 学 means to study or learn. 学习 The Chinese radical 日字旁 and 木字旁 The radical 日字旁 is usually related to time. Example characters 明时 The radical 木字旁 is usually related to the eye. Example characters 眼睡 Alright, that's all. Hope you enjoy my videos. See you next time. Hi, 如果喜欢我的视频就给我点赞吧。期待你订阅我的频道，记得打开小铃铛提醒哦，我会经常更新的。